In this video, you'll get access to 3 insane AI tools. 1. ChatGPT 4 Premium. 2. Sora AI Unlimited. And 3. Unlimited generations in both and absolutely free. The plan we're about to access isn't the free one, it's not even the Plus plan. It's the Pro plan worth $200, and we're getting it for free. I guarantee you, after watching this video, you'll never have to pay $200 again to get unlimited access to ChatGPT and Sora AI. Believe it or not, this legal trick is completely under the radar. Just 0.01% of people have discovered it. As you can see, I now have full access to ChatGPT 4, and not just ChatGPT itself, but all the exclusive features that are only available in the Pro version. Welcome back to Mentor AI. Without wasting any time, let's jump straight to the screen. We're now on the Google Chrome screen. First, we'll search for ChatGPT. Now let's open the first official website that appears. Let me quickly show you my email so you can see that I currently have access to the free version of ChatGPT. Now the first step is to open a new tab and search for Oxam. Click on the very first website that appears. Once you're on the site, you need to register an account. Don't worry, you can use any name or email because this site doesn't require verification. So, I'll quickly fill in my information and create an account. Once you register, this is the interface you'll see. Right here, it says click here to activate ChatGPT. Just click on it. Now the site will give you both an email and a password. First, let's copy the email and head over to the ChatGPT website. Click on Login and paste the email you just copied. Now it's asking for the password. Just go back to the Oxam site, copy the password and paste it here. Now we'll ask you for a one-time code to verify your identity. So go back to the Oxam website and click the verification link provided there. It will generate a code for you, and keep in mind this code changes every 30 seconds. Simply copy the code, come back to ChatGPT, paste it, and click Continue. After that, you'll see 2 options, Oxam.com and Personal Account. Choose Oxam.com. As you can see, I now have full access to ChatGPT 4, and not just ChatGPT itself, but all the exclusive features that are only available in the Pro version. Let's first try generating an image using ChatGPT. I'll use a simple prompt. A cat is sitting on the moon. Look at this. Even with such a basic prompt, the result is stunning. Imagine how amazing it would look if I had used a more detailed prompt. Now let's switch to Sora AI and see how it generates video clips. Click on Sora AI and this is the interface you'll see. It gives you both image and video options. Select video. Next, it asks for an aspect ratio. We'll choose 16:9. Now select the resolution. We can go up to 720p, but for testing purposes, we'll stick to 480p for now. Then select the duration of the video, followed by the number of clips you want. After that, you'll see an option for presets. If you want a video in a specific style, you can choose a preset here. Let's try generating a video with this simple prompt. A man is running on the beach. Click the arrow to submit. You'll see Added to Queue appear on top. Click it, and you can see that videos and images are being generated. Since this is a team plan, other members may also be using Sora AI. But the good thing is it's unlimited, so no worries. Now click on our video, and you'll see it's currently generating. Let's see what kind of video it creates from such a basic prompt. Honestly, this website is incredible. It generated such a high-quality video from a simple idea. So now your problem of generating unlimited videos for free is solved. But before we wrap up, there's still one issue we all face. If your thumbnail isn't attractive, people won't even click on your videos. If you want to create professional thumbnails for free, don't miss this tutorial. I've explained step-by-step how to generate a free thumbnail in just 26 seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.